of Udvartana, which is an essential part of Dinacharya. The definition goes like this: Udvartanam kafaharam medasa pravilapanam sthirikaranam manganam tvak prasadakaram param. What is Udvartana? Udvartana is an Ayurvedic herbal paste or powder massage therapy which is done against the direction of hair growth. Udvartana shows best result if it is done after Abhyanga and it is followed by warm bath or snana. Now we'll know the preparation and the procedure of Udvartana. The first step is preparation, where the herbal powders are prepared as per the individual's body type and need. Then the application procedure, the herbal powders or the paste done are applied all over the body. Then the massage technique, which is most important in the Udvartana procedure. Massage is done against the direction of hair growth, which is called as Pratiloma Gati. And the duration and aftercare. The procedure is continued for 30 to 45 minutes. Later, the powder or paste is removed by brushing or wiping, which is followed by warm bath or as advised by the doctor. Now, let us know the benefits of Udvartana. Udvartana is known for its Kafahara, Vatahara, Medasa Pravilapanam, which means it destroys morbid Kapha, destroys morbid Vata, and also liquefies and mobilizes the stagnant fat. It also helps in providing stability to body parts and remove dust and dirt, and also alleviates itching and removes the sweat. When we think of Udvartana, we usually think of it only as powder massage, but there are actually two types of Udvartana. They are Utsadana and Udgarshana. Utsadana is a oil massage therapy where the powders of Udvartana are mixed with oils or ghee. It is also called as Snigdha Udvartana, and Udgarshana is also called as Ruksha Udvartana because the powders are not mixed with oil or any kinds of liquids. Now let us know what the contraindications where the Udvartana should not be advised. If the person or patient is already of high pitta, or his body is inflamed, or the patient is having too dry skin, then he is not advised for Udvartana. Or in any presence of wounds, cuts, and presence of burns, even in old age and kids and infants, pregnant women, or the people having oozing skin condition like eczema and tissue depletion, or if the patient is emaciated, the Udvartana is not recommended in these conditions. Thank you.